Let's start with parallel parking. First, we'll look at reverse parallel parking. Step 1. Find a parking space where your car can comfortably fit. Step 2. Pull up parallel to the car in front of the space, leaving about 0.5 meters of distance between the two cars. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right. Slowly reverse until you can clearly see both headlights of the car behind you in your left side mirror. Step 4. Straighten your wheels and continue reversing. Stop when the front of your car passes the rear bumper of the car in front. Step 5. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and keep reversing until your car is aligned with the other parked vehicles. Step 6. Straighten the wheels again and move slightly forward if needed. Congratulations! You have successfully parallel parked.